What's up, guys? Well, yesterday I had a little accident and I got myself on the leg here. I'm putting on a new bandage. So I figured I'd tell the story, learn from our mistakes, right? I did the dumbest thing you could possibly do, and that's put something on your leg when you're cutting. So I was actually testing out this knife, which we'll talk about in the near future. And yeah, I committed the cardinal sin of putting something against my leg or body and then cutting, and this thing just zipped right through it, and I nipped myself on the leg. All right, so I'm actually changing out the bandage. Figure it's a good time to tell the story. All right, so first of all, this is gonna hurt because it's on the hair of my leg. Ow. It's not deep enough to need stitches or anything. Ooh. All right, I gotta work this around the leg with the hair here. All right, that's not really working out. I'm just gonna rip it off. All one swipe. 3, 2, 1. Got you guys. What do you think I forgot? Some fake blood, which looks more like a skid in your pants than blood. But yeah, April Fools. Gotcha. Little throwback for the OG viewers. If you remember way back in the day, I did this this little trickery for April Fool's Day, and I did like a perfect circle of blood. People thought it was a Japanese flag, which is hilarious, but actually that video is probably still on YouTube. Yeah, I had this idea a couple weeks ago. What I was doing was I was testing this knife out, but occasionally I will shave hair off my leg, usually like above the knee where you don't normally see it or anything, just to see if it's shaving sharp. Sometimes I'll do my arm or something. And when I was shaving my leg, I remembered that old April Fool's Day video I did. So I wanted to replicate it, but I figured you guys would be fully prepared yesterday on actual April Fool's Day, be ready for the trickery. So I did a little switcheroo, and we did it today. So April Fools, thanks for watching. Never cut anything on your knee. Come on, you guys didn't think I was dumb enough to do that, right? I would hope so. Anyway, be safe with your knives. Hope you enjoy your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a regular video. Might do a knife review or something. So stay tuned for that. Have a good one.